Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. First PUC statistics reduced syllabus. So we all know 30% of the syllabus have been reduced for this year 2020 and 21. So we shall see which is a retained and deleted portions. Retained will come for the exam and deleted one won't come for this year. So shall start from first lesson which are retained. ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಪಾಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. The first lesson, Introduction to Statistics and Some Basic Concepts as retained. And the second one, Organization of Data is retained. And third one, Classification and Tabulation of Data is retained. And the fourth one, Diagrammatic and Graphical Representation of India is retained. Fifth one, Analysis of univariate data, and the sixth one, analysis of bivariate data. These two also retained, univariate and bivariate data. The seventh, association of tributaries is retained. And eighth lesson, interpolation and extrapolation is also retained. So these are retained portions. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth, ninth, eighth. 8 chapters are retained. So deleted portions, two lessons are deleted, 9th and 10th one. So 9th one, theory of probability, and the 10th, random variabilities and mathematical expectations of a discrete random variables. So these two are deleted, will not come for the exam. Now we shall see electronic science reduced syllabus. In electronic, retained portion and deleted portion. We already know retained one will come for the exam and deleted one won't come. In electronic science, retained is for second lesson, principle of electricity and network theorems and AC principles. Second lesson is retained. And the fourth lesson, passive electronic components is retained. Sixth one, semiconductors, diodes and application of diodes also retained. And the eighth lesson, introduction to digital electronics also retained. Only 4 chapter, second one, fourth one, sixth one and eighth one, 4 chapters have been retained. And deleted are deleted portions are, first lesson is also deleted. First lesson, introduction to electronics, reduced from 4 HRS to 2 HRS is also deleted. Third one, measuring instruments also deleted. And the fourth one, transformers and transducers is also deleted. Fifth one, application of AC and DC to passive component is also deleted. And sixth one, wave shaping circuits, filters, design of practical RPS is also deleted. And the seventh one, bipolar junction transistor. And the ninth one, practical electronic components, their specification and PCB is also deleted. So these are deleted portions. First lesson, third lesson, fourth lesson, fifth lesson, sixth lesson, seventh and ninth lesson, so which will not come for the exam. This is about electronic science. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.